大家好，我係 Mr. Manso，今日會係大家講呢就係 Mastering Mathematics Exercise 16B Additional Law of Probability. Question 10. Four fair coins are tossed. Calvin's claim that the complementary events of four heads show up is no heads show ups. Do you agree with him? Briefly explain your answer. 第一件事 terminology。解一解呢個 complementary events 點解？其實上堂有講嘅，不過我哋冇好正式去介紹呢個名，今次就唯有正式介紹翻啦。咁就會係 complementary events 就會係嗰啲 events 組翻個樣本空間。最簡單嘅例子就係啲男仔加埋女仔就會組成翻成個班嘅 ，OK， 組成翻成個樣本空間。OK， 咁通常嘅情況呢就會係男仔嘅概率加女仔嘅概率呢，由於呢組成咗樣本空間就會等於1嘅 ，OK。咁到底呢個four hash show up 即係話擲4次銀仔，4個都係公嘅 ，OK， 同埋呢個 no hash show up， 如果全部都唔係公嘅，即係全部都字啦。咁到底擲4次銀仔全部係公同埋全部係字，佢哋係咪可以做得翻個樣本空間呢？佢哋係咪一個 complementary event 呢？ OK， 畫面嗰度呢就展示咗啦，成個樣本空間啦。如果擲4個銀仔，得唔得？你分別呢就會有4個頭，一路數到有4個尾嘅，或者4個公4個字啦，得唔得？咁而家你好明顯啦，你4個頭呢，即係16個機會裏邊其中一個嚟啫，1/16，下低都係得唔得？純粹係字面解法呢，就係因為four hash show up 同埋 no hash show up 呢，佢哋就唔係組成樣本空間嘅，所以佢哋唔算係 complementary event。寫呢，如果寫佢唔係呢，計到唔係1呢，咁就一定發達啦。計到1呢，都唔好諗住咁老定喎，計到1啊，得唔得？因為呢，你可能將兩件9唔搭8嘅事加埋，譬如一男一女，抽中男人嘅概率係1/2，得唔得？咁擲骰仔擲中雙數都係1/2，得唔得？咁你擲骰仔同埋男人可唔可以做翻個樣本空間呢？咁好難揾個古仔去做呢個樣本空間嘅，得唔得？但係我哋都係講㗎啦。公者1點，守者千里。證明佢錯呢，只要你有其中一個 case 證明到佢係錯就得㗎啦。OK， 咁就講得因為佢哋加埋唔係負1，咁你都要講埋所以啊。所以嗰兩個 event，four hash show up and no hash show up are not complementary events to each other。解到嚟呢度呢，成條數亦都解完㗎啦。再總結多一次啊 ，complementary events 即係話兩件事得唔得？佢可以組成樣本空間嘅。咁所以呢 complementary event 有個特性嘅，就係一件事可以等於1減另一件事嘅。咁我哋先至話佢係 complementary event。多謝大家，拜拜。